Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to make what you're seeing here on the screen, which is a full isometric rendering of the whole assembly. So it's a little different than making a drawing sheet of one. It's just more like making a glamour shot kind of your whole train. So what I'm going to do is come over to component number one. You could probably do this on any component, so let's give it a shot. Random component, we're going to say create drawing, and then when this pops up, change the contents to the full assembly. Okay, it's going to come in on a bigger sheet. That's fine. We could put it in different things, but we're going to create a new drawing, and we'll worry about moving the file over later and naming it and saving it and all that stuff. So here comes my big sheet. Here comes my teeny tiny train. So I'm thinking I got to scale this thing. So I was messing around with it and I found that 1.5 makes it really nice and big. You'll see that it's super grainy, but that'll take care of itself in just a minute. I'm going to change it to this type of style, and I'm going to change it to an isometric. Now, I guess the trick with this is to look at the little cube next to it. I found that this is the one that I really wanted for this view. So click and be patient, say okay, and what comes in really nice. Like it's got a nice shine to it. And we're not going to do any dimensioning or anything. This is just to set up your file so it looks good in a report or a portfolio. Go ahead and change the name here to full assembly and enter that in. Finish those properties, and there you have it. So it's a good habit to think through how you want to show your work, how you want your work to be perceived by others, and there's no budget for how much of this stuff you can do. So knock yourself out, what was this? That was like that. You can make digital files all day and then pick and choose what you think somebody might like to see. And present them with materials that really knock their socks off. So, all right, we'll let you go. We're going to do a few more drawing files, but I would like it if you could understand how to render a full assembly in a sketch, in a drawing. We could put notes over here, or we could put parts list, all that stuff in this open space. But for now, just learn about how to insert a whole assembly into a sketch.